for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Lexus IS. The IS is the compact luxury sedan offered by Lexus under Toyota. The IS fits the bill for sports-minded drivers looking for luxury in a compact design. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, stability control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control, CD player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.